Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here this week with lunch. I've been out with a congestion, sore throat, all that crazy stuff, and hard to talk. So I've just been kind of filming little videos, but today I've got lunch, and this one happens to be super simple. You know, I usually like the fancy dishes, but we went simple on this one. It is just taco seasoning from the spice drawer. It's easy to do. So we got taco seasoning with some ground turkey, a can of tomatoes in there over a sweet potato. So all around easy dish. Just while you're baking the sweet potato, make the turkey filling, put it on top. I'm going to put some avocado on top of this for some healthy fat. So already we got some good protein, some good carbs in this. And then I'm gonna top it with some more protein from Greek yogurt, nice and clean. And then of course, my hot sauce, sweet habanero Cholula. Happens to be my favorite going on right now. I love this stuff. Anyway, guys, it's coming out in the app this week. Hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye.